Yeah, but here is right here.
Kia na.
Listen for Lolo. No.
Saan yung tumutugtog? Sa kanya?
Barbie doll.
What are you singing?
Sing like a
What? Like a Barbie? Like a Barbie. Woo!
there are two ones down. Which
Paglako na naman. Enjoy ang magbinod.
Which is good.
Ano yan, man? Contest na? What that? What's inside that box?
Nakarakam pa.
Ay! Yola! Okay, let me open it. I'll open it. Give it to me, I'll open it. Give it to me. Very heavy.
Yola, nagkalat na naman to eh. You say good night na to Lolo. Lolo, yeah, you cannot show everything. Next time again, you better say good night to Lolo.
We forgot to say hi.
But tomorrow is in school.
Makasumpong yan lang, babawal mo eh.
Peekaboo!
Peekaboo na lang. 2011.
Nadito na naman ko na. Colorin namin.
Pag very big hat. Wow! Yan. Yan, yan.
Gagalo niya kasi.
Yan, yan.
Thank
Yeah, give it to me. I wear it. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Hey, I can see that too.
I can't see Yola. Yan. What?
Yeah, we'll cover your ears.
I cover my ears, okay.
Happy New Year.
Never do this, Lolo.
What?
You do like that.
I like this. Boom.
Yes.
Okay.
Ew.
Ew! Tinahin niya. Galaw ng galaw.
Lalo naman kaya ko na kanina.
Yola, what you doing?
Okay, you tidy up.
Bye-bye.
Tidy up. Tidy up na.
Okay, Baba.
You tidy up na.
Hey, Lolo.
Say good night, Lolo.
Okay.
Good morning, Yola. Good morning, Yola.
Ethan. Bye.
Peekaboo.
Ay, mango.
Why are you coughing? Like mommy?
No more body. It's in my piggy bag. My bag.
Piggy bank?
What is this, Mama?
Stapler, don't touch it. Say good night, Lolo. You get boo-boo there if you touch that.
Good day, Lola.
Good night.
Find something to Lola first.
Oh, she wants to write something for Lolo first.
Okay, you.
Yes, and see, you don't know your alphabet.
You.
Because she don't go to school. Always absent. Yola is always absent.
Always absent.
Yes.
I'm going to write something to Tita Grace.
Okay, write something to Tita Grace.
Oh, what will you write for me, my bear?
Christmas.
What letter? You go.
Never, Mama.
You write your name. Why?
Oh.
Where's Y?
Right here. This side. And this one now.
Y, O. Where's O?
Here.
Yes.
L.
Here.
Malula ka pala, Yola. Yola! Enter. Patse may biyahe yan, loko. Nakamakulok yun.
Wow!